Welcome to the innovative world of INSPIFY, where we partner with you to revolutionize your brand experience for your discerning clientele. In this journey, we'll dive into the power of slide templates and how they can optimize your design team's productivity and amplify collaboration throughout your organization. In the fast-paced world of digital experiences, a unified design language is paramount. With INSPIFY's slide templates, you can craft beautiful and consistent designs that not only align with your brand vision, but also captivate your affluent audience. INSPIFY allows you to effortlessly modify your templates, ensuring they evolve alongside your brand and stay relevant in the ever-changing landscape. Maximize efficiency by duplicating templates and customizing them for various purposes. Harness the power of cloning to save time and focus on what truly matters, creating unforgettable experiences. Group your templates into folders and manage them with ease, just as you do it in other tools. Experience seamless navigation and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free workspace. Great minds think alike, and INSPIFY's shared templates, team collaborations, and real-time editing ensure everyone is on the same page. Unleash your team's potential and watch your brand experiences soar. Like INSPIFY's commitment to cross-platform compatibility, preview your templates on multiple devices, ensuring a flawless experience for your audience, no matter where they are. INSPIFY's powerful search functionality enables you to find the perfect template in no time, so you can continue creating and captivating your audience with ease. INSPIFY's slide templates are your ticket to a whole new level of brand experiences, fueled by enhanced productivity, collaboration, and innovation. So, are you ready to join the ranks of trailblazers and transform your brand's journey? Let the adventure begin.